Hi guys, how we doing? This is just a wee kind of off the cuff video. I hadn't got anything planned for today, but as you can see my tomatoes are still growing, and as you can see my cherry tomatoes are not happy at all. Now I haven't watered them for about 5-ish days. I think I'm just going to bin them actually. Might try and save that one because it seems to be coming on. My Crimson Crush, apart from these yellow bits here, are kind of looking okay. I might get away with them. My poached eggs have started to come up. The primulas are doing nothing right now, and the marigolds are doing nothing right now. So not much going on. And if I come back out to the garden, which I'm definitely not going to be working on. Oh, I'll show you this while I'm at it. This is another one of my hobbies. Making stuff out of matchsticks. I've opened the tunnel because we've got our usual, normal, lovely Scottish weather. And it's going to last for at least a week. But we have to get a frost on Thursday. But the stuff in the tunnel looks really healthy. Apart from, as I said the last video, the cabbage and the turnip, which I'm going to put into that bed there. And everything else seems to be growing. There's my potatoes. In there I've got my grass seed and my Ayrshire potatoes. Garlic's doing okay. The trees are blossoming. Basically that's about it, but one thing I do want to mention is I was watching Steve for Green Side Up the other day there, and he mentioned that the slug pellets, the blue ones, are now illegal in the UK. Well, my wife just bought me a tub like 3 days before the video, so I don't know what to do, but I don't want to go outside because I'll get wet, and I don't like to get wet, but around my polytunnel bed in the summer the lid comes off. I take it away and I've got electric slug defence, and what it is 2 copper wires about 10 mil apart, about a centimetre apart, going all the way around. In fact, I'll link the video that I made of that down below and you can watch it. And basically what happens is you attach a 9-volt battery, and when the slug touches one wire nothing happens and it keeps going, but when it touches the other wire it gets a 9-volt shock and backs away. So that's what I'm... Oh God, I've lost for words there. So that's what I use in the summer when I take the lid off. And I'm going to do a trial this year. I'm going to try the 9-volt electric fence on that bed, and I'm not going to try it in that bed. I'm going to leave that one, and I'm going to check out the difference to see what happens. But that's about it for, I mean, I don't know if you can see that rain falling, but it's absolutely bucketing down. So not much garden getting done today. But that's about it. I'll link the video about the electric slug defence, and I'll link the video about Steve talking about slug pellets down below in the description. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.